Welcome to Black Diesel Garage, and molasses cookies are really good,
I wanted some of that.
but we were wondering what to do for a Halloween video, and someone commented, idiot with a soldering iron, I think it was.
Shout out to Idiot with a Soldering Iron.
They said something about how it's a cool truck, we didn't need door seals and to replace the parts that needed replaced, just more ketchup. And I didn't know what that meant at first. I'd never heard anyone say that, so we commented back and he said just full RPM, the red zone on the RPM gauge, which I don't have one of those, and it's Halloween, so more ketchup kind of makes more sense. So I think we're gonna get some ketchup, and we're gonna do more ketchup, and we're gonna make this a Halloween dressed up. And it is my only running vehicle right now. I might do some irrational things.
You think?
But we're probably gonna rebuild the motor someday, so it's probably okay.
It's fine.
And it's probably a little bit disrespectful to the truck, but I haven't treated it the nicest. It's not the nicest, and the motor's going to be gone through someday and put in something else. So we're not really doing too much damage. So I'll go ahead and see if it'll fire up. It's pretty cold and wet today. We'll do a cold start, if it'll start, and then I'll unload the toolbox and we'll go get some ketchup.
All right.
Let's see how it starts now. So we made a trip down to the store and we got 5 bottles of ketchup and a bag of ghost powder. And we're gonna make this truck a Halloween trip.
Yeah, fun stuff. I thought we were trying to get on the truck. Give me no my balls. Here you go. These bottles don't work very good. bloody.
Oh, that's gonna be nasty on my hand now.
My tongue.
Okay. So, since more ketchup, this thing is low on oil and it's low on antifreeze. But my theory is ketchup's good with anything.
Yeah.
So, with deep regret, now that will stop some of the leaks for the radiator. And then grab the camera. And then down the hatch. Oh, that is so bad.
Okay,
I should
stop. You should stop.
This is my only truck.
That hurts my insides.
Mine too. But
There's no buzz.
there's no but. But this is my only truck. I'm gonna make a new truck, and it's tired, worn out, and this is healthy for it. And it might get views. Wait, how many days till Halloween? 8, did he say earlier?
It's Halloween is Sunday and today's Monday, so a whole week.
So I should probably need to leave my truck like this for a week.
Yeah, I should probably park it in our front yard. Oh, babe, I have an even better idea.
No! Ketchup is not healthy in fuel, that's for sure.
It's healthy in oil.
And that is covering a truck in ketchup for Halloween. More ketchup.
More ketchup.
Oh. Now I'm just thinking about the ketchup in the motor. You have a tiny bit of ketchup on you.
Tiny bit.
Mm-hmm.
Snacks for later.
That was bad. So far, so good running on ketchup. The window's a little dirty, so can't drive like that. Might as well turn the wipers on. Wish I had washer fluid. Ah. So we got to get the windows kind of clean because you got to see. And ketchup just smears on windows and stays kind of foggy.
That works well.
We might need to go to the gas station.
Maybe I should not have done the eyeballs.
Say that is not, but think about it. Yeah.
Is that working?
Yeah. I think so.
It looks like we tried at least. That's all that matters.
Go.
Good visibility.
Yeah, you can't really see, so I'm hoping I can get to the gas station to wash the window off without getting pulled over. Well, we got the windows washed up, kind of. The front can't barely see anything out of the front, just because the heater core leaking into the cab causes a lot of humidity in here. So we got the windows down, but the front window is still pretty well fogged up. Plus, the defrost doesn't barely, it blows out all the vents and you don't get much pressure. So our front window's fogged up right now, but it is clean.
We've gotten some great reactions from the people passing us and kids walking down the sidewalk. So that's been fun.
I don't think they get the idea for Halloween though.
Yeah.
I think they just think it's probably a miss.
Yeah.
Kind of like us.
Yeah.
So hopefully that went over well. It still runs fine with ketchup in it. And if you watch the video, I would say if you liked the video, like it, but you probably didn't like the video. But for just, I don't know, because we put effort into it, you could give us a like for effort.
Yeah.
And we just kind of covered our truck in ketchup and did some bad things to it. So if you watch the video, please
a subscribe would cheer us up.
Yeah. I don't know that we'll be doing this again, really, but if you like seeing videos of old trucks and diesels and will it run videos, normally not like this, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks for watching.